Okay, hunters, let's talk about CTRM, and I get a lot of questions from you guys about the update. So I'm gonna do update today because we have a bit of change in trend and slowing in momentum, and where the price will go after the reverse split, what's gonna happen, and the price is still consolidating this box. We're gonna talk about it right now. So without further ado, bless the like button and let's get right to the video. So look with me guys closely what's happening. The last video that we talk about, I said really important to hold this ascending line and give you so much importance for this line, and I told you we need to bounce from it until we have a closing candle above the $3.61 in order to see the $4.26. But unfortunately, what happened the opposite. We actually bounced down. Even we didn't test the $3.61. And here the confirmation that we got to actually drive the price down even further. And I told you the $3 we should hold. We went as low as $3.04 precisely. As I show you in the last video, I told you here, this is the most important last support for CTRM. And now we testing our exponential average. The moment actually we got rejected, we tested 2 times, and now is the 3rd time around the $3.20. So now is this is acting as the resistance after the breakout from the $3.39. So now this is really important because now we squeeze down, the volume is actually dropped and below the 0, and now is the turning point, and now we have the price like squeeze this little box that I will draw right now. Before we have this box, you see, now what we have like the selling pressure actually getting down on us right now, and we have the price is actually contained here in between the $3.20 and $3 exactly. So this is really important level to watch out for Castor Maritime if we want to test again the $3.30 and go over the $3.60. We have to go over our exponential moving average, and this is really important to happen before we close in the last trading session tomorrow. This is really important, guys, to actually see before to begin the next week. So watch out for the $3 and the $3.20. This is the support and this is the resistance, and any price go below, we'll see the price actually go as low as the $2.16. But before we see a bit of little support around the $2.50. So be careful from this because this will have a spiral effect and downtrending from there. If we hold, we see accumulation phase here before we actually take off and we test the $3.60, because here the most strongest resistance after the reverse split for Castor Maritime. So this is really important, guys, and this is the game plan, and hopefully we contain at least in this box before we have an explosion around the $3.60. Put the notification, cut your emotion, guys. Even you have hold some share in Castor Maritime, try to actually have a game plan. If you don't have a game plan, check our Patreon link in comment section below. We can actually discuss what's the portfolio, how we actually minimize your risk and losses, at the same time try to actually at the same time do a strategy for you. So without further ado, blast the like button and see you in the next update.